Hey guys, starting trading on pocket option is easier than it seems, and I will show you how in my new video. From it you will learn the basics of technical analysis and take the first step towards successful trading. Look, we are on a brokerage platform, and initially what we need to do is open it at higher time frame. It's on the higher time frame that will be most convenient to analyze situation. Let's say that now I find a currency pair, you and I will analyze it and open a deal. So friends, let's say we will work with this asset. Now I'm starting to analyze. It's most convenient for me to analyze in the following way. What does technical analysis consist of? Technical analysis is the identification of all strong support and resistance levels, as well as the identification of price turning points in order to open the right position. But this is to put it briefly. In fact, technical analysis is not as difficult as might seem at first glance. See what we should define initially. First, we must decide which trend prevails on this chart. In this case, we see a downward movement. How to determine the price trend? This is to build a support level and resistance level based on the minimum and maximum touches. That is, now I have set the resistance level, and what can we notice? Each maximum is lower than the previous one. This means that our trend is downward. Also, if we set a resistance level with U, we'll also take the minimum touches of the price. Then we will see that each minimum is also lower than the previous one. That is, here we have a downward trend, and we can also notice some kind of cyclicality on this chart. Look carefully. Every time we touch the resistance level, we had price rollbacks down to the support level, and also every time we touched the support level, we had price rollbacks up to the resistance level, and so on. That is, there is a cyclicity here that you and I can learn to use. And in this case, we will now open the first sell position and set the time to 3 minutes at this point. Next, we move to a lower time frame in order to determine the best entry point. And at this point, we open a trade for $20 to sell. We opened a deal, friends, and are just waiting for the result. We have done a fairly extensive analysis here, and I think that it will turn out to be correct. We wait. So friends, our deal is coming to an end, and look, now we will take profits with you. Here we have done a fairly correct analysis, identified all the strong levels, identified a turning point on the lower time frame, and opened a sell position, thereby now fixing profits. All our action turned out to be correct, which means that now we will move on to the next asset, friends, and do all the same actions. So friends, let's now work with this asset. Open the high time frame again, take 5 minutes, and begin to analyze the situation that is present on this chart. Here we have a rather interesting picture. I think that many will find it difficult because look carefully at what huge green candle we have on this chart. That is a sharp upward movement of the price. Here the price has been moving in this channel for some time. Then our price is adjusted to another channel. And now we see that the price is approaching this support level. Therefore, most likely we will have a reversal here, and at this reversal we will now open a buy position. We open the lower time frame again, and at this point we open 2 buy position for $10. Look carefully, we have already had similar situation when the price touched the support level, and for some time the price tended to rise. Also, pay attention to the shadow of the candles that are on this chart. According to the latest movement, a huge shadow from below indicates buying pressure, so most likely we will get a net positive here. We are waiting for the result. So friends, our deals have come to an end. Here we have received another pure plus. As you can see, the usefulness of technical analysis simply cannot be overestimated. So thank you all for watching. See you again.